of the crucial Maharashtra elections and also the elections in Jharkhand, the Bharatiya Janata Party, which has made Ek Hai to Safe Hai the fulcrum of its campaign, is now calling out the Congress on its caste census plank. Now, this fresh political face-off is now playing out in the form of advertisement in Maharashtra. The BJP Ek Hai to Safe Hai ad was featured in the local newspapers yesterday. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party is also trying to show the voters a sharp contrast. BJP leaders are tweeting an old ad of the Congress party to highlight the hypocrisy and changing stance of the Congress party when it comes to the issue of caste politics. Now, in this ad, which the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are now pointing out, the Congress in the past had sought votes on the basis of equality. Now, in this ad that you can see on the screen, the Congress said that there should be equality in contrast to what is happening right now. And just ahead of the Maharashtra election, they had said that they will conduct caste census in the state if they are voted to power. Have a look. But before we take you through that, now as far as this election is concerned, as the larger narrative becomes about who's trying to create divide in the society, Prime Minister Narendra Modi too has questioned, in fact, he has cautioned people against the conspiracy to divide India on the lines of caste and religion. He said that this is a plot to weaken and break the country. Have a look.
आज दुर्भाग्य से निहित स्वार्थ के लिए, छोटी समझ के कारण भारत के उज्जवल भविष्य के महत्वाकांक्षी उद्देश्यों को भूल करके कुछ लोग समाज को जाति में, धर्म में, भाषा में, ऊंच और नीच में, स्त्री और पुरुष में, गांव और शहर में न जाने किस प्रकार से टुकड़े 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 में बांटने की साजिश चल रही है। जरूरी है कि देश विरोधियों की इस चेष्टा को हम उसकी गंभीरता को समझें।
Well, the Bharatiya Janata Party is stepping up the attack on the Congress party as far as the caste politics is concerned, a day after Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge announced that if voted to power in Maharashtra, Mahavikas Aghadi will conduct caste census in the state. And in fact, they will also increase the ceiling on the reservation beyond the current 50% limit, similar to the policy in Tamil Nadu. Have a look.
जातीय जनगणना करने का हमने फैसला लिया है और जो 50% सीलिंग है उसको भी हम हटाएंगे। जैसा कि तमिलनाडु में 50% सीलिंग हटाया है, जो गरीबों को मिलना चाहिए उसका जैसा ये किया, वही उस आधार पर हम भी ये जातीय जनगणना करने के बाद जिन लोग, जो वंचित लोग हैं, जो गरीब से गरीब लोग हैं, जो ओबीसी है, उनको इसका फायदा होगा। ये काम भी हम कर रहे हैं।
Meanwhile, the Bharatiya Janata Party, which has pointed at the Congress party's old advertisement, as we showed you, to highlight how Congress, which earlier took a strong stand against the caste politics, seems to have made the caste the focus of their election pitch now. Rahul Gandhi, who gave Jitni Abadi Utna Haq slogan in a run-up to the, in fact, the Lok Sabha elections this year, is now pushing ahead with the caste census agenda. This is what the BJP is saying. They also went on to say that the Congress, which once, in fact, advocated against the caste discrimination, today wants to divide the Hindu community and unite their vote bank.
कांग्रेस को एक रहेंगे, नेक रहेंगे, एक रहेंगे, सेफ रहेंगे के बयान और एडवर्टाइजमेंट में तो सांप्रदायिकता नजर आती है। बटोगे कटोगे उनको सांप्रदायिक नजर आता है, पर ये उनकी एड है जो वर्षों पहले वो पेपर में देते थे कि इक्वालिटी को एक हैंड दीजिए, कास्ट से नहीं मेरिट से चीजें डिसाइड होनी चाहिए। ये उनका असलियत है कि पहले कहते थे ना जात पर ना पात पर मोहर लगेगी हाथ पर, और आज जाति में हिंदू सोसाइटी को बांटना चाहते हैं, पर मुसलमानों की जातियों पे कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, क्योंकि हिंदुओं को डिवाइड करो, मुसलमानों को एक करो, वोट बैंक को एक करो, यही इनकी पूरी रणनीति है। इनको वोट बैंक जिहाद सेकुलर लगता है, बांटोगे तो कटोगे तो ये वाला इनको सांप्रदायिक लगता है। उनको एक रहेंगे सेफ रहेंगे सांप्रदायिक लगता है। इनकी मानसिकता है कि 10% मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन देना ये सेकुलर है।